here.
Greg.
James.
What are we doing today?
Jumping.
Jumping out of perfect good airplanes.
You trust this guy?
I don't know.
You just met him.
Yeah.
You trust me?
Hopefully.
You just met me too. You guys are both crazy. Whose idea was this?
Mine.
It's your fault if it goes wrong then. We're celebrating something.
Well, I just got my bachelor's degree.
Congrats.
Congrats, dude.
I'm his neighbor and I gotta go.
Yeah.
Sweet. If we don't get to use the bachelor's degree, any last words, final comments, confessions?
See you on the ground.
Yeah.
Let's go have some fun. High five.
All right.
High five. High five. Here we go. Bring it back. Yeah. Woo.
Alright, here's our ride.
You ready?
Yeah.
Let's get in, up and out of this airplane. Go have some fun, boys. Woo. Yeah. 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 Gonna do it again?
Yeah.
You did great, bro. Come back to it again, okay?
We'll
What
do.
was your favorite part?
The turn.
Yeah, those parachute turns.
Yeah.
You had fun. Great job, Colorado.